What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. Today I'm planting out my volunteer pumpkin plant. I'm actually going to make a small raised bed out of it, out of the heat treated pallets that I have, and then I'm going to fill it with potting soil. Check this out. So I'm going to use the technique that I used when I made the garden bed out of the heat treated pallets. I'll put that in a card right here. What I do is I make one side for each one, then I just mount all the sides together. And the screws I'm using, Power Pro deck screws. They're for exterior. They actually even come with their own bit, so that's nice. With having all the pieces now, I guess I'll make it upside down first. So that'll be the nice little garden box I have for the pumpkin. So putting the first boards together by yourself is normally the hardest. I'm going to kind of use one for a little support and guide. I don't want to hammer on home just yet. Get this other one started. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. This one here has a split, so I definitely want to put one on this other side. Just to give it a little bit of support right there. Yay, the last screw! Okay, so here's the area that I'll be setting up for the pumpkin. So I still have some of the potting mix from when I was doing the seeds. So I'll put a little in first. Break up some of them clumps. Okay. Let's see. Cool. That's awesome. And what's great is this potting mix actually has a little bit of fertilizer in it. so it should help the pumpkin out. I'm just trying to make sure it's kind of filled in over on this side, because that's where the pumpkin's sitting. And then I'm going to put a little mulch, and I have pine trees in the back, so I'll just put a little pine mulch. With this being kind of like a raised box, it's going to need a little help retaining the moisture. And then I'm going to water it in. Okay, everybody. Well, thank you for watching. Make sure you're subscribed so you can check out the growth of this pumpkin. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day.